Hello guys, welcome to back. This is Tracy. Today I'd like to introduce you the 62 kWh battery module. As we can see, there are 6 boxes beside me. So the 62 kWh battery module total have 6 big modules. Okay, let's check the details of the 62 kWh battery module. You can see on each module have remarked some labels and tips. So we'll help you distinguish which module it is. This is module A and module D. They are installed in the front of the battery case. Here is module H and module G. They are installed on the left and the right side of the middle part of the battery case. This is module K and module J. They are installed on the back of the battery case. The module J is installed at the bottom of the battery case. The module K is installed above. Now let's check the accessories of the 62 kWh battery module. As we can see, all accessories in here. When you receive the battery modules, firstly, you can find this string. You can use it to hook the modules and easy to lift the modules put in your original battery case. There are some power cables. You will find in each cable have some labels to display the connection order, so you can connect it correctly. This is signal harness for connecting module G and module H to BMS. This is a aluminum spacer for connecting and supporting the modules. This is BMS for ACE0. We have reprogrammed it according to the customer's vehicle information, so it can be displayed the correct rate on the dashboard. This is the BMS bracket. The BMS bracket and the programmed BMS, they are installed at the same location as the original Nissan Leaf. This is bolts, nuts, and fixture. They can be fixed the modules. Okay, well, because the 62 kWh battery, the height will increase the 25 mm. So we will use this rubber pad with 10 spacers and screws to fix it for increasing the height. Okay, that's all the items and accessories for 62 kWh battery module. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm also love to collect my views, so please leave your comments below or share me your ideas about Nissan Leaf battery upgrade. See you next time. Bye bye.